You might have heard about SMART objectives. In this video we talk about the definition of SMART, what every letter stands for, how objectives should be formulated. I will give you examples, and in order to make more sense I will put everything in an example of corporate communication field. Let's go with this video. Now it is the time to define the communication objectives. Communication practitioners have to set specific objectives for each program or campaign, to develop special and particular campaigns for different stakeholder groups such as employees, shareholders, investors, customers, etc. So what this means is that every company has multiple stakeholder groups, right? There is a video I created about shareholders and stakeholders. There are more stakeholders groups. So everybody that is affected or can affect the company, that is the employees, the customers, the investors. Watch that video to understand the difference. But when you create a communication campaign, you need to decide to which stakeholder group you will communicate. And after you decided that, you need to decide the objective. Maybe you want a better image in the eyes of your employees. Maybe you want a better image in the eyes of your customers. And those are two different objectives, and you will need two different communication campaigns for that. Objectives could be changing or consolidating a particular stakeholder's awareness, attitude, mode, general reputation with them, or behavior. Objectives should be formulated SMART. Specific. Specify what it is that the communication wants to achieve. Change in awareness, reputation, etc. with a particular stakeholder group. It should be measurable. You should be able to measure whether they are meeting the objectives or not. It usually consists of indications, a percentage change in supportive behavior, or any unit that can be measured afterwards to evaluate the success of the program. Achievable. Objectives should be attainable and achievable in the light of current stakeholders' reputations of the organization and the competitive landscape. It should be realistic. Objectives need to be realistic in the light of the resources and the budget that is provided for a particular program or campaign. And finally, timely. Objectives should be also specified in a time frame in which they need to be achieved. Objectives often include a 1-2 years window after the program ended to measure the direct impact of the communication campaign that it had. This was everything for this video. I hope it helped you and it elucidated what SMART stands for and how you should formulate such an objective. If you want to learn more about marketing or communication, corporate communication, you can watch this playlist right here that I've created on my channels, and I'll see you at the next video.